In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 indices. If you're new to index trading on Plus500, this walkthrough will help you place your first trade with confidence while understanding what you're seeing on screen. First, log into your Plus500 account on the web platform or the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that your platform is up to date so everything loads correctly. Once you're in, head to the trade area. On web, you'll see the trade section in the main menu. On mobile, you can also go straight to the search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to find an index. Type the name of the index you want to trade. Common examples include US 500, which tracks large US companies, US Tech 100 for major tech-focused names, or UK 100 for the top UK-listed companies. You'll notice these instruments are labeled as CFDs, or contracts for difference. That means you're speculating on price movements without owning the underlying index, and your profit or loss is based on the change in price. Keep in mind, CFDs are leveraged, which can amplify both gains and losses. From the search results, select the index CFD you want. This opens the instrument page with a live chart, price quotes, and key information. Take a moment to glance at details like spread, trading hours, and any overnight funding notes so you're not surprised by costs. When you're ready, decide your direction. Choose buy if you believe the index will rise, or choose sell if you think it will fall. This is often called going long or going short, and your choice should align with your view of market momentum, news, or technical signals you trust. Next, enter your amount, also known as your trade size. On Plus500, this typically means the number of units or contracts, and the platform will show the required margin so you know how much capital is needed to open the position. Double-check the exposure and estimated costs before proceeding. If anything looks off, adjust the size until it matches your risk tolerance. When everything looks right, confirm your order by clicking Confirm or Place Trade. The platform will process your request at the current available price. That's all there is to opening an index CFD position on Plus500. Trade thoughtfully, be mindful of leverage, and always review the instrument details so you know exactly what you're entering before you hit confirm.